look like the tallest building in Western Europe, 1,017 feet high, with viewing gallery at the top, 6-star luxury hotels, all that. So by Qatar, the police oil emirate. Hey, on the right, 400 years ago, you could have gone to this pub. See the Anchor Inn, very famous riverside tavern, opened in 1615. Same time as the Ram Theatres were here. I think Shakespeare went there. Shakespeare was barred. Oh no, that's only a weekend line, that one. I'm introducing that one slowly. Oh, I'll stay with you. 2 more bridges to go before the high speed action. Yeah, so on the other side of the river, one that gets wider as it goes up down the left. The walkie-talkie. See the one that gets wider as it goes up? Goes to the top of that, the Sky Garden, got there for free if you book online. You see behind it a brand new one, the Scalpel, pointy top. You see the top of a gherkin. To the left of that there's a cheese grater. There's a new one yet to be named. And that little golden top is the monument to the Great Fire of London, Pudding Lane, a fire in a baker's shop. Everything burned down. Now, here is the modern London Bridge. For most of London's history, there was only ever one bridge across the river, and it was here until the 1740s when they built the second bridge at Westminster. Most of London's history is the only bridge across the river. The first London Bridge was built here by the Romans 2,000 years ago. The Romans came up the river, they built a bridge, and on the left they built a fortress.